In a lush, verdant forest, among the towering trees and vibrant wildflowers, dwelled a humble milk snake. This serpent was not like the others, for it had a unique gift. It could produce a sweet, refreshing, and life-giving milk. One day, a thirsty traveler stumbled upon the milk snake. He was parched from his long journey and, seeing the milk snake, he extended his hand, hoping for a drink. The milk snake, however, hesitated. It knew that humans had a reputation for fearing and harming snakes. But it also knew the traveler was in need. What should it do? The milk snake decided to help. It allowed the traveler to drink from its fangless mouth, quenching his thirst. The traveler, grateful, promised to never harm the milk snake. Word of the milk snake's kindness spread, and it became a symbol of compassion and generosity. But it also attracted the attention of a cruel hunter, who sought to capture and exploit the milk snake for its unique milk. The milk snake was faced with another dilemma. Should it protect itself from harm or continue to help others as it had done before? It chose the latter, for it believed in the power of kindness and the strength it could bring. The milk snake was captured, but instead of anger, it felt a sense of peace. It had helped many, and its legacy would live on. The hunter, upon tasting the milk snake's milk, was moved by its selflessness. He released the milk snake, realizing its true value. The milk snake returned to its home, its story serving as a reminder that kindness, even in the face of adversity, can change hearts and minds. It continued to live out its days, helping those who came across it, its milk a symbol of life and generosity, its spirit a testament to the power of kindness.